all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Manuela. If you didn't know, I post videos about lifestyle, makeup looks, and just a lot of inspiration about different things. So today I'm just going to be posting a video about the perfect red lip, because I have gotten so into different lipsticks and lip glosses and just like makeup in general during this quarantine. So I just wanted to share with you guys like what I usually do if I want to go with a red lip look. I'm still deciding if I want to do a smoky eye or not. We'll see, because I do have on like basically all black. But anyway, let's just get straight into this video. So I have a couple here that I'm thinking about if I should mix the colors or not, but I have the red right here, and then this one is Posy K, and then this one is Kristen. So we'll see which one I decide like to mix together and everything. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with, of course, my primer, and this is just a primer from Revlon, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my face. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is, of course, I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows. The most important part of this video, honestly, because if you don't have your eyebrows done and you have like a full face of makeup on, it's just like, unless you have like full brows, which I'm so jealous if you do, because my eyebrows are like so sparse. But I'm thinking about doing something about that. I don't know. My mom actually did try microblading, and I'm kind of scared of it just because it's like needles and everything. But to be honest, I think it might be worth it, just because I barely, like, my eyebrows are so light and I feel like they're so thin also, and I just need a little bit of extra help. Okay, so I'm going in with my chocolate palette, and this is by Profusion. I don't know if it's a very well-known brand, but I've been using it. I got that from Burlington or something. And then I'm going in with my NYX palette, which is just the eyebrow thing, which is such a necessity, honestly, such a basic in like makeup terms. Okay, I'm just gonna go in and do these brows. Usually line my eyebrows because I like make sure to pluck my that's how I usually do it. I just pluck my eyebrows instead of like going to get my eyebrows done, and it just like honestly creates that natural line by itself, so I don't usually do that line. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eyebrow.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me?
Okay, next I'm gonna go in and just put a little bit of concealer underneath my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna be super light with this, so usually just take a little bit with a little brush, and usually I would use like a thinner angle brush, but I didn't wash my brush, don't judge me, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this, and hopefully this turns out okay.
Handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's something.
Next, I'm just gonna go in with the same concealer. I think this is by I see it right here. It's by Maybelline. So I usually don't use any foundation. I think the last time I bought foundation was in high school, and I don't know if I should go ahead and buy more, like look into that or something, maybe from Kylie Cosmetics or something. I don't know, like honestly I need so much help with like finding the perfect foundation. But I just don't want it to be like extreme coverage, you know? I want it to kind of be natural, like look like I'm not wearing makeup type of thing. But you guys let me know what kind of foundation that you guys use, because I just need so much help with that. And I've just been using my concealer and it's been working for me, honestly, but I feel like I kind of want to jump into the big leagues or whatever and go ahead and try to get a foundation. So I'm also using this brush, which is by e.l.f. and I feel like it's a nice brush. I don't know if like there's any need to like upgrade and get a different brush, because honestly this one works for me. And also all of these products that I'm using I feel like are so affordable, and it's like drugstore makeup. But I got all this stuff from Target, by the way. But yeah, I feel like I really like this primer that I've been using. Before, I think I used the e.l.f. primer, and I feel like this one just works a lot better to like help my makeup stay put. But I don't know, because I feel like it kind of like peels or whatever. I don't know if you guys know what I mean. Like it kind of rolls away a little bit. Like it balls up a little bit. So I don't know if that's just me or if that's like the product. Okay. And as you guys can see, this is like, so I feel like this is darker, a little bit darker than my skin. When I bought it, it was like the exact complexion of my skin. But since I've been staying inside more, it's like my skin is getting lighter and everything. Now, of course, I'm gonna go in and use my CoverGirl Clean Professional in medium. This is just my translucent powder. And I never use this little poof right here. It has so much powder on it. I never use the poof. I usually just use like a beauty blender to apply it and everything, and I kind of just tap it so that it comes out, and like it's nice. I kind of want to try the Laura Mercier, like the new color that she came out with. I think I'm more of a dark, honestly, in her shades, but she just came out with a honey, and I feel like that would be so cool just to try it out, because I don't really have dark skin, and I'm not like light skinned either. So I feel like if I were to mix the two, it would be like perfect and amazing and just everything. So I really like pack on this powder.
Babe, I wanna be alright. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you.
Oh my gosh, I look so crazy right now. But I just bought this brush, and this is by Wet n Wild. Super affordable, like I said. And I'm just gonna do like a light contour right there, right before like I do my eyes and everything. So I don't know where this palette is from, but I have this palette right here, and it's not really, it's like a full makeup thing. So they have like the highlight, they have the bronzer, and then like the eyeshadows everywhere. But I'm just gonna go in with a super dark color. We'll see if this is actually dark, because okay, that might be too dark. I don't know. It kind of comes off as purple, which is weird. It's like a dark brown, but it's gonna be there. Right underneath my cheekbones. Okay. I just want to do it light. Like, I don't want to try to do too much, you know? I'm gonna apply the other bronzer like around my forehead in a little bit, just for a little bit of structure. Okay, I think I want to go in and do like a natural eyeshadow, but I want to do a little bit of a smoky eye, just a little bit, just a tad bit. So I have my ColourPop palette. I should probably get another palette, but I have my ColourPop palette in the and it's the whatever palette. I'm just gonna go in with Supernatural, go in with the pink slip right now and do that as like the backdrop of my eyeshadow. Next, I'm gonna go in with this color in Bold, and this is just like a dark brown. And this isn't gonna be the smoky eye, honestly, because this is kind of, this palette is not that pigmented, so as you guys can see, like it really didn't do anything. It just causes like a little transition. So I'm just gonna apply that right kind of like in the middle towards the end and just gonna brush that in. I love that I'm acting like a makeup person right now. I am so far from that. Next, I'm just gonna go in with Miss Brightside, which is so, what is it called? Ironic, because this is such a dark color. But this is just basically like a burgundy. And I'm just gonna add that to like the smoky eye part of my eye because I like it when I have a little bit of red in there, so. Okay, and next, of course, you gotta go in with a super, super dark color or like black. I think I wanna go in with, this is like a dark purple and then this one's like a black. I am not really a purple person, so I'm just gonna dip into the black just a tad bit because this palette is pigmented. So just a tad bit and add that to, it's a little bit backwards, but I'm just gonna go in with another Pro Concealer, or another concealer, which is the Pro Concealer, and this is by LA Girl, which is, I feel like this one's super popular. I have the one for dark tones and then the one for orange, red tones. So I'm just gonna go in on my blemishes and just do my dark ones.
Like a queen, I would love to take you to a place you
Ooh, she's looking good. LOL. No, I'm not. Okay. So next, I'm just gonna go in and blend it out with this little thing right here. Let me blend out these spots first. And I have this one, which is by NYX, and it's called Away We Glow, and I really love it. My friends have used it before and they really like it too. And it's just like a, it's a liquid highlighter, so I think that's what I'm gonna do on my cheeks. And this is super pigmented, so I'm gonna be careful with this. Ooh, did too much on that side already, so I have to level it out. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my strobe light in the color, the glowing one, number 4. This is my favorite highlight ever. And I'm just gonna do this on my nose instead of the liquid one because I'm scared of overdoing it, so. I'm gonna go in next and just do my eyeliner and then also do my eyelashes. So. And I think I'm gonna do, I'm trying to see, like kind of an extended wing liner so that it's like seen past my eyelashes.
love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride.
Okay, so lashes are on, and honestly, I need to find some new lashes. The bulk of the look is done. I'm just gonna go ahead, and I already have chapstick on right now, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more because Kylie Cosmetics, like their lip products are a little bit drying. So I'm just gonna make sure my lips are like protected under there. And that's what I always do. Like with matte lipsticks, I always go in and put in like some chapstick or like lip gloss or something like that. But I want this to be really, really matte, so I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit. I just wanna like line my lips a little bit with it.
I wanna give our love away. So you're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah.
Now I'm gonna go in with this red, and I've done this before, and it's super drying, honestly. I think I'm gonna do like a few coats because it looks really red to me, but I feel like in this it doesn't really look that red.
Let your guard down, baby. This is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you.
So here are the red lips, and like I said, I'm just gonna do like one more coat or two more coats, I don't know yet, but I just want it to be like extremely red because I want to like take some pictures with this. But I really like this red. This red is poppin', honestly, because I feel like it's just so vibrant, and I've tried other red lipsticks where it was just like kind of dull and you could really tell, but I just want this to dry so that I can put on another thing. And I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's like completely dried and matte and everything.
To a place you've never been before.
This is so cute. I'm so excited for this. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video where I show you guys my perfect red lip look. You guys could do this with a smoky eye like I did, or you guys could also go super natural on the eyes. Either way, red lips are so iconic, and I don't know why I didn't get into it sooner. But if you guys want to see the Instagram pictures that I take, you guys should follow me on Instagram, which will be right here. I'll put my handle. It's just Manuela Joyce with 2 E's. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this video, and also please comment down below what your favorite strip lashes are, because I am just looking for the most dramatic effect that I can get. Make sure I don't have lipstick on my teeth, but yeah, I hope you guys will have a good week, and that you guys will also like and subscribe to my channel. Forgot about that. Let me just sit back and let you guys subscribe to my channel. Just give you guys a little bit of time, because you guys should also click the little notification bell that's right next to the subscribe button. Okay, I hope you guys are subscribed, and I also hope you guys have a good week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.